Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue with the last episode, and I am today going to show how to do the program number 2, how to find the length of the string. This is the question. This is like we are going to see how to find the length of the string. So, as usual, we are going to open Microsoft Visual Studio. We are opening a new project. Once we open a new project, we are just trying to open a new application. So the application is now open in front of you. It is getting some time for it to get open. So once the application is open, I will show you how to do the program. This program is a very simple and easy program. It is not going to take a long time for us to complete this program. It's going to be like just few minutes. Okay, I want to find out the length of the string. So what I need to have as a design is very simple. I am going to place one text box and I am going to place label is here. Okay, I am placing label 1, then I copy, then I am copying it and I paste label 1 and label 2. Then I am trying to place a button. I am placing a button here. So now I have all these things here in front of me. I have label 1, I have label 2, I have button 1. So these are the four controls that I need for this program. In the label 1, what I am doing is that I am trying to just make it like program to find the length of the string, length of the string. This is what I gave, and then after that I am going to change the label as enter the string. I am just entering the value of the string. Just I am giving here enter the string. After I give the value enter the string, I am going to change the button. In the button I am going to write it down as length of the string. The button is like very simple, length of the string. So these are the two things these are the things that I have to have. Now I am actually selecting all these three controls, and also I am selecting this control. Then I go to the font. Where is in the property window? I go to the font and then I open the font options. I am opening the font option. I am choosing bold. I am choosing the size 16. I give OK. Now the font has become bigger. So that's why it has moved. So I just move it here now. Now this is the design of the code. So you have label 1, you have label 2, you have a button, you have a text box. These are the things that you have got. Now I am going to write the code. As you know that whenever I want to write the code, I have to click in the button or in any control where I want to write the code. So I am clicking on the length, button 1, and I am writing here text box 2 dot text equal to, now length. I am using a function called len, len. Open it, text box 1 dot text box 1 dot text. So there will be an error. Now you can see there is an error here. The error is because we have text box 2. The text box 2 is not declared. If you see the design now I will go to the design. If you see the design, I have only the one text box. So I copy. I am actually going to put another one, and I am copying one more text box. So this is here in the label 3. I am going to change it as in the text 1. I am just going to write it as the text. I am going to write it as the text property. I am going to write it as length of the string. I am just writing it length of the string. So that's it. Now I have written this one. Now I click on this button. Now there is no error, because you see that text box 2 dot text equal to length of text box 1 dot text. So the code is only one line code for this program. This is the only one line of this program code. text box 2. The output is going to come in text box 2. And what is the output? It is nothing but len. What is len? Length. What is the length of characters that you are going to have in the text box 1 will be calculated, and it will be stored, and it will be shown in the text box 2. So 0 errors. So the program is ready to run. So I run it. Now for example, I type here the for university. I am just clicking the button. It shows the length of the string is 17. Now you can count the character 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then why 17? Even the space is considered as a length. Even this is also considered as a length. So including the space, it is 17. So that's it. The program is now completed. Now let us close this one. Now I am going to save the file again. File, save all. As usual, I save it in the same folder which I already chosen. Now I am just saving the file as length of the string. Length of the string. And I am just saving it as a file. Now the file is going to be saved. So now if you are going to see in the design, this is a file and I have saved the file. So this completes this particular program. See you again in my next recording, where I will talk about using the check boxes in the Visual Basic. So now in this program you learned how to use string functions. The one string function which we used is actually len string function. I hope it's clear for you. See you then inshallah next class. Assalamu alaikum.